In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list in an email using Gmail. This is a useful skill to have for organizing information clearly and making your emails easier to read, whether you're composing a formal business message or simply listing out instructions for friends and family. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you get it just right. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account in your web browser. You can do this by going to gmail.com and logging in with your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage. This page displays your inbox, and from here, we'll start our journey to create that neatly organized numbered list. Next, locate the Compose button. It's usually a prominent, colorful button typically found in the upper left corner of your inbox. Click on it, and this action will open up a new email window. This is where we will start crafting our message with a numbered list. With your new email draft open, you can directly begin typing your message into the body of the email. If you're ready to create a numbered list, head over to the toolbar at the bottom of the email window. There's a variety of formatting options there, one of which is the numbered list icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines with numbers next to them. Once you find it, click on the numbered list icon to activate it. After the icon is selected, you can start typing your first list item. As soon as you hit enter, Gmail will automatically add the next number for you, allowing you to seamlessly transition into your next point. Continue adding all the items you'd like to include in your list. Each time you press enter, a new number will appear, keeping your list well organized and easy to follow. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure the recipient of your email can follow each point or instruction without confusion. If you need to add text that shouldn't be part of the list, simply click the numbered list icon again to deactivate it. You can then type without the numbers appearing, allowing for additional notes or information to be easily inserted into the same email. There you have it, an easy way to create a numbered list within your Gmail messages. Remember, organizing information clearly can help improve communication and understanding. With this method, you can save time and avoid any potential mix-ups in your emails. Thank you for watching this guide. Feel free to pause and go through any particular step again if needed. Happy emailing!